Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to continue working on part 15 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the previous video, we were able to set up our project. We cleaned this up and we added all the materials, and also we changed a little bit on this side. Now we're going to continue working on this. What I want to do is end this boundary right here. We need to edit this. I need to just trim and extend here, delete this remaining right here, and pull it all the way there. This one we need to edit as well. I'm going to put it right here and all the way on this side. And then here we're going to go to lower ground, CS on this, and we need to have the grass. So I'm going to duplicate, and then we will have grass, and then we need to add grass on this side. So even though there's grass there, what will happen is I'm going to change this up because we're going to create an extrusion for the stairs, and in that way I'm going to have this one light like that. We could also put this one to maybe ground, and because this is grass as well, we could modify this to negative 400 so that it's similar to what we have on the ramp, but it's going down as well, and we have this one right here. Then we're gonna put some trees right here in front. We might just push this one a little bit at the back and this side as well. So depending on how it looks, we're going to change this up for sure. Or we could just trim this or just leave it like that. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to go to ground, and from here I'm going to create model in place, generic model, and let's create an extrusion. This one will be the stairs. Or what I'm gonna do, because I want a design, I want a trim on this one, so I'm going to create that one first, change this to around 200 or maybe 150 for the extrusion. And because I want it there, I'm gonna go all the way down. Maybe 100 is good enough. I want a different, so I'm gonna trim this out. That's why I want it to be different, because I want lights to have on the sides. So after this, I'm going to create a sweep, pick path, and I'm going to add the sweep right here. After that, let's go to 3D, click finish, edit profile, and I'm just simply going to add the trim right here, which is 100 as well. and simply add that. But I want it to have a notch on this side. The reason for that is I want to add a light. Click finish and then finish. This one should be, I'm going to duplicate this, apply, and then here this one should be another concrete material. And then because we're still here, I want this one to be painted neon. Luminaires or something. Let me check this one. So light, anything light. This one is glass. I'm gonna add this. I'm gonna cancel. And then now let's see if that glass is here now. Okay, but now I'm gonna edit this back, select this, and then put it back to IFIS. I'm gonna put it back here, but we're going to paint that part with glass. So we just wanted this one to be added there. There we go. I'll make sure to add it to that specific ones. Click done. And maybe we could add this one as well. We could put a notch here. So we could edit sweep, select edit profile, and click on a notch here as well. So why not add it? This is just for design. Click on finish and then finish again, and click on paint and paint that part as well. There we go. That's it's being selected. And there we go. Click done and done. So now we have this nice looking one. What we could do now, edit, and then we could just select both of them, move it going up, I want to do it on my south elevation so that I can see everything. Move it, remove constraint, or I could just select that, move this one manually. I need to remove the constraint. It's not letting me do it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move it out manually like that, and then I'm gonna create a copy. I'm gonna copy this multiple times, so every step I'm gonna move it forward. um, Need to click on finish first, go right here. I need a section, so I'm gonna flip this one and move this view range right here, and there we go. I could see it much better. Edit in place, move this if you can move it. There we go. Edit sweep or edit. So which one we wanted, we could edit. But as you can see, this one looks really good. I know it's a manual um, way of adding stairs, but you have more power basically. Go back to section, able to pull it out, and as you can see, because of that, we could move it like that. We could make this one shorter, or we could make the other one bigger. So it's up to us to give it more or less. And because it's the sweep is connected to the extrusion part, as you can see, it moves along with it. And then here we just need to put more, and then put grass, probably make it look really nice. So now I'm going to go south, maybe copy both of this if it lets me, but it doesn't. So what we could do is go to section again, create a copy of this, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a copy of this, the one below, so that everything is consistent. Till it goes down like that. And it's up to us to make it look good. So what I need to do now is go back to section, change the tab, change whatever I'm selecting there. It needs to be the one from the inside. need to select the one from the inside. This one I need to choose both of this instead. So let me do that again. Copy both of it, and then manually add this. And then just go to 3D, and then go to section and push it back. Push it back again. Push it back. Even though you're not seeing it, still push it back. You never know. And because of that, as you can see, you can have lights showing up. And probably the way I'm gonna do it is small, and then big again. Just want to try a different look. Small and then big. So different styles. And then we're going to fill this up with some grass and showcase some of this. I was wondering if I could just add this one on this side. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pick this one on this side, put it here, change the size, probably around 600 is good enough because it's just a side door. And then the pantry, let's move the pantry. So I'm gonna delete this door, move this, all the way right here. Let's make it 650 instead. Just gonna put it on this side. Delete this. And then CS on this. We can make it bigger. But this one is too much, so I'm not gonna push that. Spacing is not good. Or make it B, we could just push this one a little bit going forward. Yeah, so that works. We could push this one right about here, and at least we have more right here. more space for the pantry. And then let's go back and just add the door, the same door that we have added before. So now we just need to add the room, and there we go. At least we have the pantry area, and at least it's not an eyesore that we have something right there. We just need to put in the door, the ground, and anything else. We have this one right here. Why not add the same floor, the ground, and let's add it on this side. Probably have grass along here, and then I would believe I want to have grass on this side as well. So I'm gonna pick lines right here, trim it, and I'm just gonna align it on this. We could maybe make it nicer. I want to have a deck here, so once we have a deck, we could add in the pool on the middle. And why not push this one all the way there? So to make it nicer. Click finish. This one should be on ground, so everything is level. And obviously we need a deck, so go to ground. We're going to have a deck there, so model in place, generic model. We need extrusion, wood material, let's use some of this Douglas fir, and add something right here. This is too much. So maybe we could just add something like that. Something like that, right there. And then another one surrounding it. So this one should be around maybe 200, because I know there's 400, and then another one below it. So this one should be, so from ground I want it to be 400, and then start 200. There we go. I'll probably delete some of this right here. The reason is I want to have, or I want to add those sliding doors onto this area. So probably here in the middle. So this one, and then I'm gonna create another extrusion, and this one should be going around here, so that looks nicer. Click on finish, look at it at 3D and see how it looks. And then of course we will have a cement floor right here, or a decorative floor with the pole right here. So at least we have the deck. We need to add in the sliding door. So what we need to do is, so this one, curtain, let's add it all the way here. Delete element. This dining area, let's look at it. I'm going to add another one right here. And then cut geometry. This one should be flipped. So cut geometry right here. This one we need to move it, so delete element. And then we need something in the middle right here. So just to go out, we could delete. Just want to see what this looks. Okay, so that's fine. I want to do and add a curtain grid similar to that. This was something like that, and the one at the top. Align it, and then click on mullion, all grid, add those grids right there. So now that looks really good, and we just need our sliding door. So instead of the sliding door, I want the parametric folding door. So I'm gonna download that, and also I want the pot light square base. Yeah, I'll do the square base. Download those as well. All of this will be at part 1 description, so just double check that. It will be the second link. And once you download those, just go to your downloads folder, and then here you just need to drag and drop. It will be there already. Save the project. This will be CM, first one. This will be the pot light, so I'm gonna add the pot light first so that we already have that. So pot light right there, so I'm happy with that. And then CM again, we have, I believe, parametric folding door. So if not, I'm gonna go to download again and drop parametric folding door. So that's weird. So actually we need to go to doors, that's why. It's a door family. And here we have a problem because we just need to add it first, but because there's no space, let's just add it right here first and then edit. So edit, we have this one at height is 2600. So we need to edit this. So we need head height 2600, edit this. Trail thickness, panel thickness 40, moya jab. Your height, the width, let's make it 3000. Frame thickness, frame width, jab, panel thickness, trail width, jab, internal. That's fine. Apply OK. And then maybe CS on this. Still not fitting, so maybe 2500. Apply OK. Pick new host. I think that's good enough. Let's change the height to 2500 so that everything is same in terms of the look, and then just squeeze it in. So let's stop here for now and continue on the next video. Thank you for watching and hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.